Hi guys, Lens here. In this video we are going to be talking about this voltage injection tool. The name on this one is TS20A. This is a 20 amps, and the other name for it is Short Killer. So it's a voltage injection tool, and what it does, it helps us to identify bad component on a motherboard within seconds, right? This is the switch at the back of the unit, and we have the ground and also the positive line, right? So these are the cables that comes with this unit, and this one is a clamp, so you can clamp this on the ground part of your motherboard, and this part is like a needle. So this is what we're going to be using for the voltage injection. So if you want to inject voltage on a MOSFET, if you want to inject it on a shorted capacitor, this is how you can do it. You need to plug this into the black and the red into the red, right? Normally when you're going to be using your voltage injection tool, it is recommended that you set it at the lowest voltage, which is 500 milliamps, and then you increase the amps if needed. Too much amps can cause damage as well, so it depends on what you're working on. If you're working on a phone motherboard, you don't want to push a lot of voltage in that board. You can damage processor, you can damage also IC chips as well, you can damage graphics card. So you want to go gradually. If it's a laptop motherboard, you use more voltage, but if it's a cell phone, you want to use 500 milliamps, and then you inject more voltage as you go along. You use 1 volts, then you can use 1.5, you can use 2. So let me go ahead and switch on this voltage injection tool. So as you can see here, it's at 1.5, and we can take this down to 500 milliamps. So 1000 milliamps equal to 1 amps. So we can start off here, and you want to inject voltage, so you will clamp this on your ground area on the board, and then you inject voltage. So guys, if you want to see me use this tool, right, you can go right ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be doing future repairs using this voltage injection tool. If you're new to my channel, guys, go right ahead, subscribe, and also let me know in the comment section which version you are using or which one you think that you're interested in, and show some love to the channel, and also subscribe, turn on the bell for my latest videos. And guys, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.